Hello everybody. Well, this is the last video of the sprouting and the final rinse. I have rinsed it once today, but it's all done, it's all sprouted, 3 days, that was it. I have rinsed this a couple of times in the last couple of minutes, but I'm just doing this for quickness. But basically it's already sprouted. You can see there how it's sprouting, all of it. It's ready to go on the food now, and what I do is I'll just put that down over there if I can. It doesn't fall. Oh, is it going to fall? Might do. Ah, there we go. So all I do is I just get bits, and that's it. It's all ready for the birds, all ready to go in. Just mix it in with other bits and bobs, and basically that's it. That was how easy it is to sprout. 3 days, sticking to my fingers there, 3 days and it's all done. That's how easy it is to sprout any seed for your birds from start to finish. You don't need any special tools. One of these or plastic tub, doesn't matter. Just do as I just in the videos from 1 to whatever video it is, and as you can see, the bestest food you'll ever be able to give your birds. And you don't really want it to get any bigger than that, the tails. If they get to about an inch, they start losing the goodness, although they're still brilliant. But that's how easy it is, and I hope that's helped people who don't know how to sprout. There's no tricks, nothing like that, no special food. Just use your own seed. You don't have to buy a special food for it. Any seed will do. And all I do is I just mix it in. Just mix it in with the fruit and veg, and the birds absolutely love it. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the videos. If not, well, hope it's helped somebody. Thank you. Bye.